GBP USD. Or so you have to be careful today, those who like trading the GBP pairs. And then 12 o'clock, think no problem. 12:30 unemployment claims that also affect market a lot, so we have to be careful. So, and then when you come to 2 p.m. all the way to 11:50, I think there is nothing much over there. So from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. we have to be careful to what do, and then 12:30 US dollar unemployment claims. It's also another area that can affect our market. So our advice, you avoid trading around this time, and after the news, then you can trade from maybe 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. When the dust is settled, then you know what to do. So that's about trading and Forex factory news for the day. I hope I'm clear on that. Okay, so now when we come to DSY, we are told that DSY is what guides all the foreign currencies, the currency pairs that we pair with US dollar, and especially gold. So if you see DSY, the dollar index, anytime you see it going up, it means gold will go opposite direction. And anytime DSY is going down, is going up, then gold price will go down. So as you can see now, DSY is going up. So there is every tendency that gold will drop. Now, what I've also learned yesterday from Mr. Adam and Mr. Ezekiel is when everybody should download the TradingView, tradingview.com. You go there and then you will get, can I do that now? Let me see. So I go to my Google, you type tradingview.com. Now, when you get here, you see this logo. So the TradingView TV, you click on it to get your chart. So maybe I'm looking for gold. So I'll type. Now, when you come here, you see all the Forex that they are trading: stock, funds, futures, Forex, crypto, indices, and so on. But since we are more into Forex, and then so you can just choose which one you want to do. If it is if it is gold, for example, so you have this. Now, if you want to see the chart, go to what? See on Super Chart. All right. Now, on the Super Chart, you go to Indicators and you type, I did fair value gap session and SMC structure and fair value gap. So, okay, I have it here already. So I went to search for fair value gap session, Lex Argo, and then SMC structure and fair value gap. Now, so here it tells me, so this is a new discovery I did yesterday, and I'm really thrilled about what I'm seeing. Now, you see, you have to find out where the trend lines are. So here we can
Hello, Auntie
see.
Faustin.
Hello.
Hello, Auntie. Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Please show us this your new discovery again. Show it to us again. Let's see. Start from it again, please.
Okay, so I'm going to close it. And then SMC structure, SMC structure, structures and fair value gap 5. Okay.
Where are you typing it? I'm not seeing it so that people can see where you're searching it so that when they want to.
Okay,
Please
so we
delete
are
it,
going
start
to
again.
indicators.
Okay,
Can you all
just
see
delete it.
indicators?
Yes, delete it and start again. Okay, please start again.
Okay. Is everybody okay with the trading view where I went for super chart?
Yes, we are, ma'am.
Okay. Then you go to
show us again where you went to super chat. Start from super chat.
Okay. So I'm going back. Let me just close it. I'm leaving. Now I came to tradingview.com. Then I look for my currency pair that I'm looking for, which is gold. Now, when you look up over here in the black box, they've written see on super chart. Can we all see that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then I click on it. So here it gives me the broad picture of my chart. Now, I'm going to delete the features I've put here so that we do it together. All right. Now, you go to indicators, type fair value gap, session, algo. You can even see it here. Sessions, lux, algo. Lux, I'll say lux, algo. Okay, the moment it pops up, you click on it. Now, then, to give you the SMC structure, so you're going to type SMC structures. Can we all see it?
Yes.
And fair value gap. Then this one is Ludo GH68, 5K. So I click on it. And then, so now I have these two. So now it gives me the automatic fair value gap lines. It gives me the structures. Now, if you look at it, you see this yellow label here. Now, this will come. Now, we started with this morning when Chairman Yora called for the trade at 33.81 or 80. You see that it dropped all the way to 33, almost, yeah, it got to 33.73, but it's the wick that stretched to the 73, and it was fast, so we didn't see it. So at that point, we should have closed our selling trade because the SMC structure has shown what? Change of character. So this is already informing us that be careful, there's a change of character to what? A selling, buying mode. Then it started moving, right? So anytime there is what? A change of character, it tells you, so you know that no, you have to close your trade and start moving to a buy. Now, the buy also went all the way, and then you see this fair value gap showing. Definitely, sorry. Now, when it went up here, we saw that it gave us the fair value gap. We did not think about it so much. Now, as we've learned in our lessons, that fair value gap, it's also a part of liquidity. Now, the bullish fair value gap goes up. Now we can see that it's showing bullish all the way, but we have to consider the bigger one. Now it will go up all the way, and then definitely it will come back to take 50% of this fair value gap and then goes up again. Or it will go down all the way to test the bigger one over here, and then it goes up again. Now, before it goes up, the indicator will tell you there is a change of character. As we are coming down here, you see that this very one is not telling us there is change of character at the supply side or the selling side. So invariably, it means that we shouldn't bother worrying that there is what? Going to be a sell at this moment. You have to be patient. Now, if it goes all the way, come down, clear, and then pass over the 50% of the fair value gap. Now, when you see this, especially, let me quickly come back here. You see that when it's coming, the new candle, there's a fair value gap here, but you see that it's supposed to come down, go back and test it before coming down again. So these very features simplifies the struggle of where do I take the trade and where do I close. And now that we are at the top over here, you see that it's now moving down. I'm sure it's going to test this very big one, half of it, or 50% of it, and then goes up again. But if it passes it and cross the fair value gap and comes to the discount, you know, when it's the 50% down is the discount where you take a buy, and 50% up, that is premium where you take the sell. But you have to be patient. If it comes all the way and it start going up, you see the signal will tell you change of character, meaning it's now coming to buy before you enter again, to sell before you enter. So those who are fast, they can do a small scalp by selling up to where they have 50% of the bigger fair value gap. So in short, this is what I discovered, and I think it can also help us to observe the market and know where the trend is going and where to take a trade and where not to. Thank you very much.
This is powerful, Chairman. This is powerful. SMC is in trouble.
Yeah.
Didn't you see when I told her to take it all over again? Because when she started, I said no, she should take this all over again.
The amazing thing is happening on 1 minute. So
yeah.
all my scalping colleague, SMC is in trouble.
Hold on. Auntie Faustin, I beg one more time, go over this again one more time. I want to make sure that everybody on this call understands this.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Amara, pay attention. No, Amarachi, pay attention. I want to make sure, Mr. Austin, pay attention. Colonel, I want to make sure everybody on this call understands this. Auntie, please go over it again from beginning, from the start, please.
Okay. Now, let me please talk about the liquidity quickly before we go on. Now, liquidity is where the bigger markets, they take our monies or stop loss. So you look at the last top over here, you see that you have the wick of the candles, which is the resistance level. And when you come down, where the market keep coming down and then stopping. So here you see that it came to 73, it goes up, it comes back to 73, 33.73, it goes up. So here, this is our what? Our support. So let's bear in mind, this is where the support is. And at the top, this is where the resistance is. Okay. So now another way of liquidity, or where the big market can take our monies, is the fair value gap. So we have the selling, the selling side liquidity. We have the buying side liquidity down. And then the fair value gap is the internal liquidity. They call it internal liquidity, but the external ones where we place our stop losses are the external liquidity. So when you want to look at your chart, bear in mind where your the resistance is and where the support is. Number 2, look out for the internal liquidity, which is the fair value gap. So I'm told that is what actually controls the market. So either they take it outside or inside. Now, my brother Ezekiel talked a lot about this fair value gap. Right. So I'm going back now to, I'm closing it. Then I go to tradingview.com. Okay, so tradingview.com. This is the first step. Go to tradingview.com, click on it. This page will pop up. Now scroll up. You have the stock, you have the Forex, but there is a place here, search. So when you type, if maybe we are looking, we trade gold, so we are looking for gold. So XAUUSD. So you have, I normally use, you can use Wanda, Forex.com, whichever that you are conversant with. Now, when you come here, it just gives you a short view of the direction of the market. So we can see that here, the market is ranging from here to the top here, but it doesn't give you the chart. It doesn't give you the chart. So go up and then you see on super chart. Can we all see that? Then yes, you click on it. Now super chart appears. So these are, I'm going to close them, the indicators that I use. Now, when you get to this chart, go to indicators at the top. Click on it. There are a number of them. So type FVG session or sessions lux algo. Lux algo. Then you see that it pops up. Click on it. All right. So Lux algo 6K. So I click on it. So this one will show me fair value gap. Number 2, go again to the indicators. Click on it. Look for SMC structures. and fair value gap, FVG, Ludo. Am I correct? I think I'm wrong. Okay, Ludo GH. Can we all see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, click on it. Oh la la. Sorry, I have to go back to my. Okay. So when I click on it, I go back. So now it's telling me, my people, have you seen the exchange of character? Okay, so these features will show you exactly where the fair value gaps are. You see that it's also showing us where the resistance and the support. So still the support is at 33.73 and the resistance is at 33.80. So we come to what? Fair value gap. So the FVGs are here. We have to look at the bigger one. So you see that it started from here and then it came down and all the way there's another fair value gap, fair value gap. Don't forget over here, your eyes should also be on the left-hand side. So it goes down up to this place. So after half of it is still going down. Now, can we watch, always look at the back, the left-hand side. You have where there was a change of character. So keep an eye on that. That took us to the buy. Sorry. Okay. It took us to the buy. Now, what did I do again? Sorry, let me close this. Sorry. Okay. All right. So the features over here tells you when to take it, where to take a trade and where not to. So now you see that it's playing between 80 or 81 and 70, 33.73. So if there is a change of character, the signal will quickly appear. If there is breakout structure, it also shows. So that you be careful where to buy and where not to buy. So in short, this is what I discovered, and I hope it will be useful to help us. Any question?
All right, so thank you. This is a good one. Ezekiel, let me allow you to continue.
Yes,
All right,
thank you, madam.
Thank you very much. Madam Bola, that's where Anti-Faustin will celebrate you. Please put thank you. I think thank you is the right thing.
Okay. Should I stop sharing?
Yes. Don't leave it, bah. Leave it.
Let's leave it. Let's listen to
the more we look
first.
at it, the more it enters our head. So please put thank you, Auntie Bola. Thank you, ma. Put thank you right there. Put thank you. This is amazing, and I'm so happy that Chairman said we should not leave SMC. We should stay there, and staying there is yielding results. Every day we are digging deep, we are doubling down, and that's so beautiful. So from Luxaglo indicators, see what Auntie Faustina has gone to dig out. This is beautiful. And I'm so happy that he's working on 1 minute. So all the scalping guru, Professor, you are one of them. So see your scalping through there. So beautiful. It spelled out the major zone that we are looking at, the major region we are looking at, is spelled out the major support and the major, the major demand zone and the major supply zone. That's the number one thing I pick, which are the blue lines at the top, and the blue line at the bottom. The supply at the top, and the demand at the bottom. And he also mapped out for those that have always been asking, what's the difference between supply and demand? These indicators bring everything to life. So the green lines is giving us the support, and the red line is giving us resistance. Why the blue line is giving us supply and demand. That's like a summary I'm bringing to it, and this is so beautiful. So you already have everything marked out. And why the gold line is giving us change of character. Chairman, with your permission, let's turn this to a scanner. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, if you ask me. Thank you very much. Auntie Bola, if you have not typed your questions, please ask. Please, others, let's type our questions. We've done 60 minutes. I want to pause. I want to stop recording. Thank you so much.
Mr. Scanner.
Thank you so much.